Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change platforms using the FTX wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the FTX wallet app, then go to the news section, and at the news section tap on the top of the screen on the settings icon. And here tap again on the settings, which is going to be on the bottom left corner. And when you scroll down a little bit, you will find the app settings. When you tap on it, on the top of the screen is going to be the FTX platform. So here you can choose between FTX International, if you are in any other country than the US, or you can choose the FTX US. So you can switch between these with no problem. You just have to tap on it and it switches instantaneously. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.